Today, I'll show you how to send money from your Revolut account to a bank account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Payments section and tap on it. This is where you can manage transfers, recipients, and past payments. In the Payments section, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the plus icon. A few options will appear for different types of transfers. Here, choose Bank. Now you'll see a form where you need to enter all the required details. Fill in the country, bank account number, the recipient's full name, and email address. Take your time and make sure everything is correct. When you're done, tap Add Recipient. Next, enter the amount you want to send from your Revolut balance, then tap Continue. Before confirming, carefully check all the details and fees. If everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.